Alright, so welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to completely delete your WordPress website. So if you have an existing website or you still building your website and you want to completely delete it so that you can just start over again, then this video is for you. So watch the video until the end, and without wasting the time, let's just get in the video. If you want to delete your WordPress website that you have installed and start over again, then this video is for you. So what you have to do is just go to your plugins and just add a new plugin called Reset, and just click install the plugin, activate it. So now if you just go to the tools and click on the WP Reset, you will just see the plugin, so settings, and as you can see there are the pro features and the free features. So we are just going to use the free features to completely delete our WordPress website. So of course with the free features you will not delete all the datas, but you can just be able to delete the current theme, the plugins, and deactivate all currently active plugins. So activate WP Reset plugin, so just leave this one, and after that what you have to do is to type reset and then reset site, and click reset WordPress website and wait for a few seconds to load, and your website will just be completely deleted and you can just start over again. Alright, so after deleting our website we will just redirect it here. So this shows that our website maybe is deleted, and as you can see we have no website as we had this website before, and at the moment now we have no website, so that means we have successfully deleted our WordPress website. So what you are going to do now is just go to our dashboard, and so what we are going to do is just go to the dashboard and go to your plugins, and as you can see the plugins are just deactivated, so just click the plugins, click deactivate and apply, and this will just apply to all the plugins so that they can just be all deleted. So after deactivating all the plugins, click back selection again and click delete, apply, click OK, and your plugins will just be deleted. And this is how you just completely delete your WordPress website. And I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you just refresh you see that you have a new fresh website and you can just start over again. So I hope this video was very helpful for you, and if you found this video helpful, please like the video, and let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.